Fun fact, if you hold the 2 button, the number 2 pad, it turns off the sound for the microwave. There you go. And now you can start your microwave.
You guys want to keep the babies asleep? It doesn't even sound when it goes off. Octopus. You'll learn something new every day. Can't say I didn't show you. Come with me to Marvelin's Marvelous Getaway, where we learn something new every day. Just to recap, right now, if you notice, I'm pressing the buttons. You don't hear anything, right? And nothing at all now. When I press and hold 2, that activates so that now the microwave, when I press buttons, can make noise. You learned it here.